Hello traders out there in Traderland. My name's D7 here at Grok Trade, and I'm glad that you're here. And the markets in the day of bullish. Dow up 181 points. Everybody in bullish territory, as you can see here, with small caps. Russell's 2000 up 0.8%, up more than everybody else. However, financials were in negative territory, and US dollar slightly down. Crude oil higher, silver higher, gold higher by a fraction. VIX now below 15. We're at 13.5, 13.5 on the fear indicator. That is so low. There's no fear in the market. Bitcoin is hovering just below 4,000, and there we are. That's what we're looking at. Let's take a quick look here at the S&P 500. The daily chart. Look at this bottom chart. Let me blow this up so we can see it. We're up, an extended run to the upside. Guys, if you remember, I said be looking for consolidation going into the future, and here is the upside run of that consolidation. Look for this now to give back and to pull back. We have this tight rising wedge on the spider. If you look on the weekly chart, let's go there, pull that up, weekly chart. We're down, now we're up. We are up multiple days in a row. It would not be out of the question to see this relax and start to pull back the next few weeks. Okay, we are there right now. Let me bring something else to your attention. The MACD. This is a centered oscillator down here. We go down. We did a crossover. We go higher. It's looking good. Here's the histogram. The histogram's getting lower. The histogram is a measurement between the signal line and the MACD line. Those two lines coming together, and the smaller the histogram line gets, the closer the lines are coming together, and once they come together, they cross and drop. And then the histogram ticks on the lower side of the zero line. So we're very extended. Histogram is dropping. The MACD is getting closer. The signal line looks to be crossing over relatively soon. So that's a little centered oscillator talk for you there. And if I look at just a quick look at the monthly, I mean, we're not, this monthly is still moving, but the monthly chart, we did put a buy last month. We did pop up here. You can see this, a nice pop. And will we keep going? As far as the month is concerned, we got several months to the upside. But remember, you have the weekly charts in here, and even smaller, you got the daily charts. So I think that we could give back a little bit here, a few weeks, and then maybe rally back higher. That'd be interesting. This monthly chart's very important to me. Do have a big bearish divergence on the centered oscillator MACD, and that is troubling. So I don't necessarily see this getting back to this red line or the blue one. Don't see that happening. I see consolidation. I see it bouncing sideways going into the future, as we talked about. Quick look here at the diamonds. Diamond's daily chart, rising wedge. You can see that down here. You can see that rising wedge. We're set to drop. It's a bearish formation. If you look here at the weekly chart on the diamonds, the Dow, we're up, right here at a resistance point. See this? We're right at resistance. Look for that to pull back. Furthermore, the MACD, the histogram ticking lower. We're looking to cross over at this extended high. So look for the markets to pull back for a couple weeks, at least one good week, if not two. That's what it looks like to me. And NASDAQ, if you look at the NASDAQ, the problem with the NASDAQ, The problem with the NASDAQ, we're in a rising wedge, but then we leave the confines of the rising wedge, which is trouble territory right here. But as long as it's building a high base, that's okay. If it can build a high base and then rally, that's great. But I'm telling you, this is showing a little bit of weakness here. A little bit of weakness. If you look here at the Russell's 2000, we're in the rising wedge heading higher. Rising wedge heading higher. XLF, rising wedge. That's the financials, financial sector, US dollar. Got a sell on it. I'll stay with my sell, but look for consolidation. Crude oil, I got a buy on it. I'll stay with my buy, but that, man, I really want to put a sell on that. Silver, I got a buy on it. I'm going to stay with my buy. Gold, I got a buy on it. Oh, boy. Really should have had a sell on it yesterday. Not sure. It just slipped by me. Didn't get it done. But I do want to put another line in here. Put a little line there. That's something I do want to watch that. So I got a couple lines there that are very important to me. So the VIX is down, down, down. We put a sell on the VIX heading lower. Bitcoin, as you guys, I did disclose to you, started buying that right down here in this area. So I bought Bitcoin here. And anyway, it's a high base. Look for that to keep going higher. But anyway, that's that. Before I get into a couple stocks, Grok trade. A lot of you guys are new. Welcome. Hit subscribe. Put the little bell on hit the bell next to the YouTube so you get this video as soon as it comes out. But if you look here, at Grok trade, trendline class recording. This is a class that I taught. You can get the recording if you click on this. I'm doing something very special as it takes its time. But use the code TREND and we'll knock off $200. It's only 97 bucks. So it will knock off. You got to use the word trend, but it's going to only be $97 to get that course, which is pretty important. The market maker class, this is our big money maker, and you will not find this anywhere else on the internet. Actually, the trend line one you won't find anywhere else on the internet. I've been trading 21 years in the active markets using technical analysis. Same thing. Use smart money, knocks off $200, and I think that one's like 97 bucks too, with the discount. And hedging recording, same thing, just go there. There's a quiz here. If you didn't know there's a quiz here, there's a quiz. We have a 3-day course that we're putting on next month. 3 days. If you want to look into that, just fill out the form under Trading Mentor, okay? I want to go over here to tech stocks. I want to take a look at, well, let me just type in Apple. And the software that I'm using here, guys, is Trading View. There's a link in the description, Trading View. Just go down there, click on that. I left eSignal. I was being charged $200 a month for eSignal. Trading View gives me everything eSignal gave me for like $60 a month with real-time data. It is awesome. So I've been using this for some time. That's what I'm using. There's a link down there. If you're looking for a new charting platform, and I've got the premium. You want the premium. I mean, you can do the lower ones that are fine, but if you're a true trader, especially if you're a day trader, get the premium, and I think you will enjoy all the tools. Apple had been beat up. We put a buy on it back January 15th, and we go higher. If you are in Apple, just look to stay in Apple, okay? Look to stay in Apple. And okay, guys, as you can hear in my voice, I am getting past pneumonia. It's happening, but it's still there, still lingering a little bit. It's taken me forever. But I'm starting to get my energy back. I'm feeling better. Thank you for the well wishes on the comments. I really love it. Leave me, where are you from? How long have you been watching? Just engage with me. If there's something that you think that you like, put it down. If something that you think I could do better, add it. Type it in the comments. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. If you think I stink, that's okay. I prefer a thumbs up. I don't know why some people give me thumbs down. If you give me a thumbs down, just give me a reason why it's a thumbs down. But if it's just an opinion difference on one section, don't give me a thumbs down. Good night. Give me a thumbs up if you like the majority of it. But if there's fundamentally something that you just do not like about my videos, give me a thumbs down. Give me an explanation in the comments, because I want to better the content that we deliver here at Grok Trade. And oh man, if you go to Grok Trade, there are some webinars, free webinars that you can go to learn how to day trade, learn how to preserve wealth. Take those webinars. We do those on a daily basis, so we stay very active. Jump into those webinars, get ready to take copious amounts of notes. And we have several coming up this weekend. Get in on those. Grab your coffee, sit back, and enjoy what we're sharing with you. Take care, guys. We'll see you later. Bye. Guys, last couple weeks, you've lost probably 8 to 10 times more in your portfolio than what an education from us would have cost you. Invest in yourself. There's no greater expense than being ignorant and what market tuition will cost you. Do yourself a favor, look us up for mentoring. It's 3 days. We have one coming up. Go to Grok Trade. There's top of Grok Trade. I'm not even going to show you the website. Go to groktrade.com. At the top, there's a button there for hedging. You can take the hedging course. That'll help you during this time, so you don't get your head handed to you. But if you want to make money in this volatility, if you're just don't want your head handed to you, then mentoring. Not here peddling it to you, but what just irks me to no end is individuals who think that autodidacticism, that's trying to learn something themselves, is the smart way to go. And they think that learning to trade is something that you can get yourself. I'm telling you, I thought I blew through 2 accounts until one day I woke up and thought, I can't do it myself. Don't let that be you. Don't let your money dry up. Don't lose money in the markets. Learn to be savvy. Kill it out there. Be a shark. Don't be bait fish. Be the person out there that's the smart one, that has a system in place. Trading is significant. It can be the best thing that's ever happened to you and your family. Or it could be one of the heartaches, one of the broken dreams of your tomorrow. But I'll pose this one question to you. If you go through our trading mentorship, if you're like, man, I'm in, I don't care what it costs, because I'd rather put my money, invest it into education than lose it in the markets. If that is you, ask yourself, after you go, we give you all the tips, all the tricks, we give you everything. We pull out the stops for you and give you everything to reach your full potential in trading. We give it all to you. From this date, 1 year from now, where will you be? How will your life, how will it have changed? That question will tell you everything you need to know. GrokTrade.com. Check us out. Catch you guys later. We'll see ya.